Hi everyone, welcome to my first ever monthly series where I'll be sharing the products that I'm using for that particular month, and I've been loving those products. It can include body care, skin care, makeup, or some random things I've started using, and I love that product. So starting strong, that I have in my hand is this Pond's cream. I have been loving this cream really, like it is so hydrating. It has, I think, newly launched, its name is Pond's Hydra Miracle with Cerahymenate, a light moisturizer. It is actually a light moisturizer, especially coming from a girl who is who is born with a dry skin. Whenever I go to the salon for my monthly facials, what they tell me every time is, please moisturize your skin. And I tell them that I have been moisturizing my skin every day, daily basis, but they don't believe me because they say your skin is so dry that they have to put an extra moisturizer or the cream to, lather it up to actually do the facial. But since I have started using this cream, it has been a nice feedback from those guys, because I've been going to the same salons all the time, and I have specific salon where I go for my facials. They have been giving me a good review about my skin. I don't do any 7-step, 6-step skincare when I'm applying this cream. I just apply it in the morning when I'm washing my face. Even I leave it on till I take my shower or till I actually go out for my office work or anything, and I just leave it on for 4 to 5 hours. It is like that, and it actually is doing miracles for my skin. So if you are a dry skin girly and if you're looking for a cream, something like which can hydrate your skin, then this is the one that you need to get. Expensive also, it is almost something 500 or something, but it's a big bottle, so it will almost last you approximately 2 to 3 months if you're applying generous amounts, because you don't need a lot of scoop of it on your skin. Second product that I have in my hand is the most favorite that I have also applied today in this video. The shade name is Budapest, and this is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. This is my third or fourth bottle of this. Is it a lipstick or a lip gloss? I am not actually aware of it, but I bought it in Dubai and I have been buying it in Dubai since that time, since I used my first bottle. Everybody complimented me. I am even wearing it on my lips today in this video. I just love the color it gives. It's not nude, it's not pinkish, not brownish. It's perfect kind of a mix of nudish pink color, which can go with every kind of dress that you're wearing. It can go with Indian wear as well as your Western wear. I have been constantly using this color since last 3 to 4 years, and I am in love with this color. Next up is my holy grail shampoo that I have been shouting on this channel. I also told you about this on my last video where I was sharing my hair care essentials. I have been using this Sunsilk Yellow shampoo since I think my childhood, since I regained my consciousness, since my mom started applying shampoo on my hair, and I have seen tremendous hair with this. Right now my hair are very short. I got them cut in a salon recently, but I have been using this shampoo since my childhood, and it actually takes care of your hair. It hydrates them, it gives the perfect moisture, it gives the perfect shine, and if you're trying to grow your hair, it will definitely help you in growing your hair. This should not only be the monthly favorite, it should be my life favorite. Actually, I can brag about this shampoo whenever, wherever you can ask me to, and I just love this one. It's also an empty bottle. I have just saved it to make this video for you guys. I have to refill it, so I'm just gonna refill the shampoo again this week. And yeah, next one I have is again a lip product I am absolutely in love with. You must have seen me wearing this in a lot of my shorts video that I upload on this channel recently. I have been active on this channel. This channel was, quiet from a long time because I was not getting time. I have been shooting my vlogs all day, and I have been very busy with the editing and shooting vlogs and all those things. So I have been a little more active on this channel recently, and you must have seen me wearing a very nice gloss on my lips. This is the one that I'm wearing. It's the Essence Color Boost Vanillicious, and is something that I'm gonna restock, and I'm gonna put it in all my bags wherever I'm going. I should have it in my bag, because it can come as a backup as well if in case I forget to apply, which I normally do, any lip gloss or any lip shade whenever I'm running out for office or like house chores. Then I definitely forget to apply anything on my lips. I just apply some moisturizer and I run out. But this one is something that I can apply anywhere. It just complements my skin texture, it just complements my like on the face. It's a perfect nude shade. In case if you're interested and if you're looking for these products, you can just comment down below. I'll share the link with you. In case if you don't get these products in the market, I'll share it with you, the online links. Next I have is this Bath and Body Ka moisturizer, or you should say body cream, not moisturizer, body cream. This is from their aromatherapy range. Now don't judge me, this is a perfect cream if you are looking to tackle your insomnia. If you're a girl who doom scrolls at night, like she doesn't get sleep till 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, and if you're doom scrolling, if you're somebody who is looking like a cream which is very light on your hands and which is like perfect to make you sleep like a baby, then this is the one. Now this one is very old. I have not discarded it because I'm not facing any kind of skin issues with this. I've been using it since last 2 to 3 years, I believe. This is that old cream. I just need a little bit of it to make me sleep, but the magic it does to make me sleep is something different. And I should tell you that aromatherapy range of Bath and Body is something that you must try. They may come in different packaging, but if you are looking for this combination orange plus ginger, you might find it today also, maybe in some different packaging, maybe in some different color. But you should definitely try their whole aromatherapy range. I've tried their lavender ones as well, and they are perfect. But somehow I was getting a little bit of irritation from the lavender, maybe because of my allergies for lavender. I am not able to use lavender creams or anything that has lavender scents in them, so maybe some kind of allergy that I have, I'm not sure about it. So if you are looking for a body cream, or if you're looking for something to help you sleep at night, you should definitely try this one. And that's all for my January favorites. I'm going to come back every month with my favorite products on this channel, so don't forget to like, subscribe for my next video. And I'm also going to upload a lot of lifestyle makeup review videos on this one, so don't forget to follow this channel for more such kind of videos. And bye bye.